I'm back, and I've been asked to react to this video. And by the way, I do not pick these. I am actually asked to react to these, so let's get going. Who snores like that? Wait a minute. Let me pause it. Okay, so, like, legitly, there's a plane right there. Oh, my. Okay. Who the heck snores like that? It's their fault for snoring like that. But at the same time, that is so mean. Jeez. That's so mean. I'm so mad at that person. Well, guys, that was it. I was just asked to react to this video. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, because the other video we reacted to was awful. So, well, guys, see you later. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.